Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. Glad you can make it today. Today I'm over in the Terwilliger Town garden plot area. It's a nice big open field that we have that we were able to rent out some garden plots. I last year had a 10 by 10 garden plot that's just two plots down to my left, your right. And this year I'm upgrading to a 10 by 20. So that's this section here. The previous person that was renting it out had moved out of the area, and I was able to get possession of it. And I'm really looking forward to gardening and showing you the process for gardening in this section here. So today I'm just coming in with a rototiller, and I'm going to work up the land, get rid of the weeds and the quack grass. There's many different ways that you can do it. I just got a rototiller from Home Depot that I'm renting for 4 hours. It's about $46 for renting for 4 hours, but you can definitely rent a different time periods from Home Depot, and they have many different sizes. Last year I ordered a really big one to rent, and with my back injury it was quite difficult to do. This year I'm going with something a little bit smaller because my back is still giving me problems. But you can definitely just use like a hay fork. This is one of those big 3-tier forks that you can go out and do it that way. It's a little bit more time consuming, really good for like a small little area that you're wanting to work on, but for the garden plot that I have here, the 10 by 20, I'm using an actual rototiller to get this job done a little bit faster. Alright, I'm all done rototilling. Now I'm going to rake up any of the weeds and the quackgrass that I was able to get up. I know there's going to be more coming up because the rototiller didn't get everything, but if I keep on it, I should be able to maintain those weeds throughout the season. So now I'm going to rake up everything that was brought up by the rototiller.